Welcome to episode 4 of Stroud Safety Shorts, a video series meant to give you important safety information in bite-sized segments. Today, we're talking about what to do in the event of a crash. There are some things you need to know to keep yourself safe at the track. Nobody wants to be in an accident, but it is a very real possibility in our sport. Today, we want to walk you through what to do in the event of a crash so that you are prepared for that possibility. In the event of an accident, after the car completely stops, immediately shut off power and fuel to the vehicle. Once you've done that, you need to check and react to the big 3. 1. If you are seriously injured, remember that there is a medical crew heading your way. 2. If you smell or see fuel, you need to exit the vehicle as quickly as possible. 3. If the car is on fire, you need to get far away from the car as quickly as you can. Once you've checked off the big 3, injury, fuel, and fire, do the following. 1. Check your immediate surroundings for danger outside of your car. You might be safest staying put. 2. If it is safe to exit the vehicle, then remove your seatbelt. 3. Drop your window net. 4. If possible, remove your steering wheel. 5. Exit the car as fast as you can. 6. Check for leaks and debris that could be a danger to yourself and others. 7. If you're experiencing any kind of pain, rest in place until you can be checked by a medical professional. Remember, every safety feature you can install to give you more time in the event of an accident will significantly increase your likelihood of survival. Drivers who wear the correct gear and properly equip their race cars are always going to be safer between the moment the crash begins and the moment they're clear of the accident. As always, the best and safest way to be certain you are purchasing the appropriate equipment is to call Stroud Safety at 405-632-2022. We are always here to help you.